In this clip, I'm going to show you how to make a cone, which is the base for making our rose. Now there's two different ways to do this. This is a cone that's made out of all gum paste, and it takes about 24 hours to dry. So we're going to start by making that one first. And what you need is your wire, and we just make a little hook at the end of the wire there, just like that. And I have some gum paste in the size of about a large grape. Just warm it up a bit in our hands. And after it's in that, I roll it into a cone shape. Just by adding pressure to one side of the ball, picking it up and pinching it. And then I am going to bring in my egg white and dip this little hook that I've created into the egg white and insert it in the center under the cone. I'm going to pinch around the base there so it hangs onto the wire, and set that aside to dry. Now these you need to make ahead of time because, like I said, they'll take about 24 hours to dry. And that's one of the bases for your rose. The other one that we make is called a floral tape bud. And by making one of these, the center doesn't have to dry as much. So we start by using our floral tape and wrapping around 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then, I don't really need the clippers to do that. You just bend it down, fold it over, and then wrap. Just like you would cover a stem. You're going to go around 15 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then kind of taper it down your stem. Finish off by finishing your stem. We take about the same size of gum paste, roll it into a cone, dip your floral tape bud into the egg white and insert that up the center. You got to work this one a little bit more because you're making a hollower space in there, but you pinch the end just like you did the other one. And these dry in a couple of hours as opposed to overnight. You'd set that one aside to dry. And that's how you make your cone for the base of your rose.